the projection of points chapter for the diploma students. Okay, this is the question. Draw the projection of the following points on a common xy line. Means on this common xy line we have to project the points according to the question. Keep the distance between the two projectors as 30 mm. Means if you have done A1, means here, means this A and B, these are called projectors. Means A, B, C, D, E are called projectors. Means you have to keep the distance between the two projectors as 30 mm. Okay, this 30 mm. So first I am taking here point 30 mm. Then after, according to the distance 30, 30, 30, 30, 30. I have taken the distance 30 mm. It means we have to keep the distance between the projectors as 30 mm. Then after A point, A is 30 mm above HP. 30 mm above HP means this is VP, vertical plane, and this one is horizontal plane. Above HP means we have to take 30 mm above. How much is the 30 mm above HP? Means I have to take 30 mm, 1, 2, 3, and here is the point. That point you call as A. Okay, and 40 mm in front of VP. In front of VP means in front of VP we have to take. VP in front, how much? 40 mm. From XY line only, from here only, 40 mm. I just keep my drafter 40 mm and take and project the, I have drawn the point. That point is called A dash. Okay, then after second one, B1, I have taken the distance between the projectors as 30 mm. Now B1 I will do here. Okay, 50 mm above HP. Above HP means HP above. Means 50 mm upwards I have to do. How much? 50 mm, like this. Here I have to draw a point. That point I will call as B. Okay, and 45 mm behind VP. Behind VP means on VP only we have to take from XY line. How much? 45 mm. From here to here, 45 mm I took, and here also one more point. That point is called B dash. Okay, then next C1, 30 mm below HP. Below HP means HP below. Means I have to take 30 mm downwards only. 30 mm like this. Project the point. This point is I have called C. And 40 mm in front of VP. 30 mm in front of VP means this is the VP plane. In front of VP means downwards. How much? 40 mm. From XY line only, on that only, 40 mm I took. Then I have drawn the point. That point is called C dash. Then after D point, 25 mm below HP. Below HP means downwards. Below means down. HP downwards. How much? 25 mm. 25 I took and put a dot, means point. That is 25 mm. This point I will call as D. And 30 mm behind VP. Behind VP means on VP only. How much? 30 mm. Like this. And put a dot, point. That point is called D dash. And last one is in the VP. In the VP means we are not having any dimension like this before in A, B, C, D question. In the VP means I have to put a dot only on the VP. Means there is no dimension, zero dimension. If he says on VP or HP, you have to put a point on XY line only. Okay, that point I will call as E. And 40 mm below the HP. 40 mm below HP means HP here downwards, below means downwards only. How much I have to take? 40 mm. From here 40 mm same. And here also one point will come. That point is called E dash. Okay. Our question finished, our solution finished. Then after, according whatever dimension is in the questions, means this 30 mm, you have to do that all dimensions from here. Sorry, this one, this one, this one, this. How much is the dimension? 30 mm. Put an arrow mark like this, 30 mm, 30 mm, 30 mm, 30 mm. Now A, 30 mm above HP, means this is the 30 mm. To show the dimension of this, first you have to take a projection line, then after dimensioning line, this is a dimensioning line, put an arrow mark, how much it is? 30 mm. Then after 40 mm in front of VP means this is 40 mm. I have to show this dimension also. 40. Then after 50 mm above HP, 50 mm above HP, there are 2 points. For each points I have to draw the projection lines, dimensioning lines, this also and this also. This is 50 and this is 45. Okay, here also see like this and like this. For each point we have to show the dimensions. 30 mm below HP, this is 30 mm and 40 mm. Then 25 mm below HP. 25 mm below HP, this is D point. Here and here. This is 25 mm and this is 40 mm. Sorry, 25 mm, 30 mm it is. Okay. In the VP, no need to draw. And 40 mm below HP means from E to E dash, that is 40 mm. Show the dimensions. That is 40 mm. And your solution completes. This is draw the position of the following points on a common XY line. Means on a common XY line we have to draw. If this draw the projection of the following points, if he says, and he gives the question A, B, C, D on a common XY line, if he not says, then you have to do on a each XY line VP HP. This point, this 30 mm above HP means 30 mm we have to take upwards, and 40 mm in front of VP means like this. Like this we have to do. A point. Then after for the B point, one more XY line you have to take. VP HP means we don't have to do on a common XY line. Means this is not a common, this is a different line. For A you have to take different XY line, VP HP. For B, XY line, different HP, C, D, all points. Like that you have to do. If he not says in a common XY line. Okay. For the common XY line, this solution is done. Okay, thank you.